All right, this video is going over number 7 from 3.2 day 1. We have to solve this equation, all right? And basically what's different here is we don't have x and y, right? Like a lot of the ones in this section are about a system of equations, which is 2 equations. This one has just one equation involving x, right? So basically we just got to solve this for x. So we're going to do some steps, dot, 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 and you get x equals something. All right, so the first trick is we want to clean up this left-hand side. So when you have a number on the outside, you can distribute it. So we get 9x plus 63. And then when we distribute here, we're really distributing -6. So that'll be -6x and then plus 18. -3 times -6. All right, and now we're just going to keep cleaning up the left-hand side so we have some like terms. So combine those to give us 3x. And then we can just combine those two together, and that would be positive 81. All right, now we just got a nice simple equation here, minus 81 from both sides, and then divide by 3. Okay, and we'll get x equals 6. All right, so it's a little bit different because it's just a single equation with just a single variable x, and we don't have like an xy pair here. We just have an answer of x equals 6. All right, that's it. Thank you for watching.